A secure pouch seal is important to your confidence and the health of your skin. Adapt Convex barrier rings are designed to protect the skin and prevent stoma drainage from getting under your pouch seal. Adapt Convex barrier rings have a unique convex curve to them. This helps to fill in uneven skin contours near the stoma to help create a customized fit of the skin barrier against the skin. They are available in round or oval shape to meet your individual needs.
To use Adapt Convex barrier rings, first remove the backing from the skin barrier. You may use a one-piece or two-piece pouching system. Then, remove the backing from both sides of the ring. The rings are flexible for your comfort. Adapt Convex barrier rings can be stretched about 1/2 inch in any direction. Do not overstretch the ring. Next, apply the flat side of the ring to the skin barrier. Finally, apply your ostomy pouching system as usual. The curved portion of the ring will be against your skin. Adapt Convex barrier rings are versatile and can be cut, stretched, or stacked to create a secure, customized fit.
For example, if your current convex ostomy pouching system is too rigid, Adapt Convex barrier rings can be used to create flexible convexity. The rings can also be stacked or even added to a convex skin barrier to create even deeper convexity. If you think this could be right for you, discuss it with your WOC or ET nurse. Adapt Convex barrier rings are alcohol-free and safe to use, even on irritated skin around the stoma. If your skin is irritated, it should be evaluated by a healthcare professional who will help to determine the cause and how to prevent further injury.
Always apply your skin barrier and Adapt Convex barrier rings to clean, dry skin. Select the ring that most closely matches the size of your stoma. Remember, you can stretch the convex rings slightly to get a secure fit. Again, do not overstretch the ring. As you remove your used pouching system, the Adapt Convex barrier ring will come off as well, still attached to the skin barrier. Simply discard after use.